Here. Other landlord is here. Unilag is well represented here. Ross. A lot of things, but sometimes he says a few things to think about. Josh2Funny, what are we thinking about today?
Just think about it.
That's like this. Okay. Then I'm not beat you now.
It's okay, don't worry, let's do it right now.
Enough means I'm not talk to CrazyClown.
Hold on, sir. Please, the press should hold on, the press should hold on. Hold on.
Medics!
What about that
They started.
That is the first game for tonight's season 6 of the Celebrity All-Star 2021 is Underco's Liverpool against the last edition champions Arsenal. They won the tournament in 2019, but because of our they were able to defend it last year, and we return to the season 6. The initiative started on Lachi Nuruddin, and the fourth official is Anthony Puna. That is a lineup for the referees. It is Jimmy with the ball. Rolling, fantastic shots! Jhybo with the throw for Arsenal. And Jimmy with chest. Pencil will allow for Pocolee. Free kick.
Pocolee was actually trying to reinvent the rules of the game. He says the ball had not landed, so he doesn't mean it's throwing.
And the Arsenal bench is being coached by award-winning number 8, Okeba Castle, trying to connect his man Jimmy. But the Liverpool defense,
I don't know if the flatmate team is beginning to take over his real life.
quickly on the spot, we've seen Shumalani, we've seen close to 5, 6, 7 minutes of this entire counter. The Nigerian celebrities play representing Liverpool and Arsenal, the first game. What your take on who do you think has a vision to become champions at the end of this game?
First off, sexy still, he looks like Pogba in the house, so
Pogba, please. Don't call Sexy and Pogba in the same sentence. You can say Pogba is more popular than him, but Sexy is too fine to mention him and Pogba. Pogba is not feeding him, so it's not happening.
And let me tell you, also you got to see what Pocolee has to offer. Pocolee has to start for leg walk. But can he play around with the leg walk with the
He's a king of hype, man. So when it comes to hyping, he does well. And I expect him to also do his best in this place. Pocolee is the man that has, taken entertainment to a different level entirely. Respectable stuff. So yeah,
Opportunity there.
Pocolee tries to do something with his leg walk, but then, like I said, there was no music. If you want to see Pocolee's leg walk, then we have to tell General Indo, that every time the ball is with Pocolee, they should put up a song. And I'm sure it would maybe ignite something inspiring to do level. But look at the boots that Pocolee is wearing. And I'm not saying that I've been very, very impressed by OK Bakassi. I wasn't expecting him to play this well. The Arsenal team is really good. I thought that his age, this is one other player that is always very serious.
What a miss by the king of level, Pocolee. Opportunity to put Liverpool ahead. And of course, you will agree with me that 5 football boots doesn't produce the best of football skills. Should I learn it?
Sidney Tucker is stepping.
First substitution for Liverpool, Sidney Tucker, and for Aya Bamos for Liverpool. They will call their first substitution, Jimmy. We have an opportunity now from Jimmy. And great interception. Cesar Uche was there, Costa was there, but it was a clearance for Sophie.
Best opportunity in the game I've gone to Arsenal with the combination of Jimmy and Fine Boy Sexy still. They do know what they're doing up front there. We just think that Prosper is the missing link in the forward line of the Arsenal team. But then to stay consistent with this is amazing. And that was a good chance. So we're talking, like I said, Scotland might be in the danger. They got a chance to shot. But a great save for the goalkeeper. That player, that Unilag squadron, I brought in their squad here, and their squad.
The first half ended Arsenal nil, Liverpool nil, and this is the resumption of second half. Gravity from the danger zone by the Liverpool defense. Pocolee connects. Intercept by Jhybo. Spicy goes out to the ball. Pocolee, the king of Nepal, led away by Poco. And the good shots on Spicy.
You already isolate the only players in the team that you will pass to. And that's the thing that is happening between Jimmy and Cesar still. They kind of like have this telepathetic understanding between the two of them. But then sometimes that becomes a disadvantage. Like the kind of problem Manchester United is suffering in England. Everybody thinks that Cristiano Ronaldo is the man that will save them. And then I feel that just might be the chance that changed the game. That might be the game changer.
Position, opportunity, Pocolee! Fantastic shot! Great save! By the Arsenal goalkeeper!
If the Arsenal goalkeeper is not unfearless, he's on squadron. If it's not on squadron, he's on something. Something is just. How did you see that ball?
And then we said that free kick was the Coco from Poco. It really was the Coco, that free kick, fantastic save by the goalkeeper for the Arsenal side, who's been tested more in the second half than we had in the first half. Looking at Liverpool have gone out for their number. They're trying to find the Arsenal number. That's exactly what we're seeing right here. If you don't know play by these guys,
Now stands by Jimmy and Sexy still don't pass the ball to other members of that team because once they do, the attack is dead. It's just as simple as that, and that can be very painful, you know, when you're trying to build an attack. You look for people that are reliable and dependable. There's this thing coaches used to tell players, if you can't dribble, please pass the ball as soon as you get the ball. And what's the use of trying to dribble when you know you can't do it?
Sexy still, Sebastian gets a rescue. Fantastic move there from and it is Arsenal with the ball possession for the center referees. Will whistle against the team who is currently the defending champion of the tournament, Arsenal.
It doesn't look like we can defend this title.
Of course, they cannot be the best, the best player and the most popular player in the last edition. He came on the of the game to score 2 goals and put it on the stage. And that is the reason Arsenal ended the 2019 as a defending champions. Tonight, Bobby is with Arsenal.
Bobby's on his way, stuck in traffic. I don't know if he will get there before the end of this game, and I don't know if it's better than that of Pocolee. But then Pocolee is a very solid hustler for Liverpool. He's everywhere, holding up to the ball. I really would love to see his legwork just for camera's sake and for future advertising. But then, can he get a shot there? Can he put this one in?
Arsenal win, Liverpool 2, the defending champions. Might be kissing the time goodbye to these Central Africanos.
What's the scoreline again? What's the scoreline? No, no, see.
Liverpool 2.
He said he did not hear it before.
Robbie came to marry somebody in our office. 2 months later, they got resigned.
That means that we don't have enough money
Alabama
to take part. That's what it means. In an era where husband and wife are working hard, Robbie has shown that money is not the problem. But we can run
It is our obsession and our tradition.
goalkeeper DJ Martin for Chelsea. Think back to 1952 when Guayo was young. Opportunity. And it's going to be free kick advantage for Manchester United.
Mohamed Buhari, wearing jersey number 5 for Chelsea. In case you don't know, his name is Mohamed Buhari, the son of our president from one of his concubines.
Not to talk, so he wouldn't get injured, because I'm sure there are rivals here who would love to enjoy him.
Free kick advantage. And dance and then they maintain. Jhybo will take the free kick, the responsibility of the free kick against DJ Neptune. Quickly back in. Fantastic intention. The ball is wide and out.
I told you.
And recently, Arsenal players are protesting for a third place playoff. And one of the organizers of the tournament, Clyde Peters, told them to go home. No third place match for no losers game. The likes of Prosper, the likes of Titus, they are all protesting. Even the coach, Johnny Jama, award-winning movie director, Brian being the organizer, Clyde Peters, should that be a third place? And I said, no, we're losing their life next time.
Well, they're going to be hoping that their dreams will prosper, because they have prosper in their team. So Arsenal like the Super Eagles against similar blood medal match. Then plays game.
Opportunity for Man United. Great interception. Smith. When he collect the ball, he will connect Osiashiba. And they come to inside. Osiashiba lock the ball. David Amalaka will clear the Chester. And this is a quality for compared to the first game we saw between Arsenal and Liverpool.
This is top quality football, let's be very honest. The only weak link in the Chelsea team is Ukas Muhammad Buhari. Other than that, this team is a team that can represent Nigeria at the World Cup. We currently don't have a team for Super Eagles, so we can take this team, we can take them to the World Cup. But beyond that, Arsenal came with
The award-winning director, opportunity now from the man! And it is the DJ Neptune who came to the rescue of the Chelsea side. He will play the ball straight to Osiashiba. Achiba to Borero.
DJ Neptune is too good to be threatened by that opportunity.
To the defender for Chelsea who leave it for Maleke. Maleke the comedian will connect his compatriot. I go save Silva. The Chelsea side, it is Smith and the far end of the commentary box. They have a coach on the touchline, too many coaches for the Chelsea side, but spearheaded by Funny Bone. Funny enough, he is the coach.
Yeah, Jack, Funny Bone is easy.
To 1 in the first game. United. He was the best goalkeeper 2 seasons ago. Explicit. And Abororo now, the Roro King comes up. If he means, then the Chelsea fans will ask Abororo why. Opportunity for Chelsea to be in the final. Abororo, the Roro King, Plugtv.ng. Can he get it done? And it's gone!
Have been very classy. Now we have Abororo.
Abororo with the last take for Chelsea. I need too heavy. Lamont is hungry. I'm sure going to increase house rates. Well, we increase house rates. You know what? Jhybo is backing out of my house.
Yeah, what up, guys? Yeah, this is the 6th edition of Celebrity Football organized by Your Entertainment. Trust me, it's my first time being in this, but unfortunately, I couldn't make the match, but I have my jersey anyway. But then I'm so excited that Chelsea won this again. That's why I win always. That's why Rotimi wins. That's why everybody wins, man. I'm happy to be on this winning scene right about now. Yeah, watch out for next edition. You might actually catch me on the field playing.
My name is Adida Davis, alias Baba Landlord. Liverpool showed them power. We were cheated, but we would have said because of the spirit of the game. But we feel bad, real bad. Thank you.
Okay, hello, good evening, people. My name is Jhybo. And yes, I played today for Liverpool. Unfortunately, we did our best, but unfortunately, we lost the game. But it's fair, it's free. At some point, we had a disagreement with the referee. But kudos to the organizers of the competition, and of course, shout out to everybody that came out here to support us, and all the sponsors. We thank them, we appreciate them. And kudos to I want to say congratulations, more grease to your elbows, and more blessings.
My people, it's your boy Pocolee out here for your yearly match already, you know. I feel so excited, bro. We actually lost in the finals, but they robbed us actually. If you're in the game, you'll see everything. They robbed us. They used the OG level for us, but regardless, we're thankful. God bless you all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Josh2Funny, aka Josh2Funny, and we just won. It's a fan. I'm a big fan. Fan love. Thank you for everything you see. I don't need I say more? We won, we did. I scored a lot of goals, relationship goals. The most important thing is that we won. Yes, thank you.